Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of air compressors, specifically the top 10 best air compressors for your car. Whether you're prepping for a road trip or just doing regular maintenance, having a reliable tire inflator can save you a lot of time and hassle. So let's get started.
Number 1. The Modari Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor is an essential companion for all your travel adventures. When you're on the road, you can inflate your tires from 30 psi to 36 psi in just about a minute, making it ideal for long trips. This handy device allows you to quickly top up your tire pressure, so you can enjoy more time on the road and less time finding a gas station with an air pump. Equipped with a remarkable 22,000 RPM motor, it delivers an impressive airflow of 35 liters per minute, making it 4 times faster than traditional inflators. The powerful 7,800 mAh battery enhances performance, allowing you to fully inflate 4 tires on a single charge. It features multiple modes for cars, motorcycles, bikes, and even sports equipment, so you can use it with various vehicles. The built-in sensor provides real-time tire pressure readings on an easy-to-read LED screen, essential for ensuring your tires are properly inflated. Safety is a top priority with the Modari inflator. It automatically shuts off when the desired pressure is reached, preventing overinflation. Made from durable, fireproof materials, it provides extra protection against common hazards. Additionally, it doubles as a power bank and a flashlight, making it a valuable tool for emergencies and routine maintenance before hitting the road. In summary, the Modari tire inflator is easy to use, efficient, and a must-have for any car owner. Number 2. The Dormy Cordless Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor is a powerful tool designed for efficiency and convenience. With a maximum pressure of 150 psi, it inflates tires at an impressive rate, making it twice as fast as standard pumps. This means you can quickly inflate tires for your car, truck, SUV, motorcycle, or bicycle in just a few minutes, allowing for a worry-free travel experience. One of its standout features is the smart inflation system, equipped with a sensitive pressure sensor. It has 5 preset modes for various needs, such as bicycles and basketballs, and displays real-time pressure readings on its LCD screen, supporting measures in bar, kPa, psi, and kg/cm2. The inflator will automatically shut off once your desired pressure is reached, preventing any risk of overinflation. In terms of power, the Dormy inflator boasts a reliable 10,000 mAh lithium-ion battery for cordless use, along with a 12-volt car power adapter for continuous operation. This ensures you won't be left stranded if the battery runs low during your journey. Additionally, this versatile tool includes an LED light, making it useful for nighttime emergencies, whether inflating tires or signaling for help. A USB output port can even serve as a backup power source for your electronic devices. Overall, the Dormy tire inflator is a practical addition to your travel gear, combining efficiency, safety, and multifunctionality in one compact device.
Number 3. The Worx 20-volt portable air pump inflator is a versatile and reliable tool for all your inflation needs. With a powerful maximum pressure of 150 psi, it is perfect for quickly inflating car tires, sports balls, and other small inflatables. One of the standout features is its digital LED gauge, which accurately displays tire pressure and allows you to preset your desired PSI for precise inflation. The inflator also includes a powerful LED light, which brightens your work area and features red and yellow emergency lights for added safety. Thanks to its automatic stop function, the inflator shuts off as soon as the set pressure is reached, preventing any risk of overinflation. The onboard storage makes it easy to keep everything organized, including a 3-foot high-pressure hose and 3 adapters for various inflation tasks. Its compact design ensures that you can easily transport and store the inflator, making it a practical addition to your home or vehicle for emergency situations. Plus, with the Worx Power Share system, you can use the same batteries across all Worx 20-volt and 40-volt tools, saving you money and providing versatility.
Number 4. The Avid Power 12-volt DC portable air compressor is an efficient and user-friendly device designed for quick and easy tire inflation. Featuring a robust metal cylinder, it can operate continuously for up to 2 hours without a load, achieving a maximum airflow rate of 30 liters per minute. This means you can inflate a standard 225/60 R17 car tire from 25 psi to 36 psi in just about 2 minutes, making it a quick solution for roadside emergencies. One of its standout features is the accurate pressure detection system. You can easily preset your desired tire pressure using the simple plus and minus buttons, and the inflator will automatically shut off once the requested pressure is reached, ensuring you avoid overinflation. Its old-fashioned metal design gives it a unique look, while the bright LED light illuminates dark areas, making it convenient to use at night. This portable air compressor is versatile, suitable for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, sports balls, and pool toys, although it's not intended for large vehicles. Overall, the Avid Power Inflator combines functionality with style, making it a great addition to your travel essentials. Number 5. The Viair 400P 40043 Portable Compressor Kit is a powerful tool designed specifically for off-road enthusiasts. This 12-volt heavy-duty electric air compressor delivers a maximum pressure of 150 psi, making it ideal for inflating large tires, such as those on trucks, SUVs, and 4x4, with a capacity to fill a 35-inch tire from 15 to 30 psi in just under 3 minutes. Featuring a direct drive gearless motor, it operates without the need for maintenance, ensuring reliability on tough terrains. The compressor comes with a 25-foot, 5-in-1 inflator and deflator air hose with an inline gauge, making it easy to monitor pressure while inflating. Included in the kit are various adapters, including a press-to-valve adapter, and it features a durable carrying case for easy storage and transport. The compressor's compact design means you can stow it conveniently in your vehicle, making it an essential companion for any off-road adventure. Additionally, the IP54 rating provides dust and water protection, ensuring that it can withstand tough conditions, making it a must-have for outdoor explorations. Number 6. The Avid Power Tire Inflator Air Compressor is designed for both convenience and efficiency. With its auto shut-off feature, you can simply preset your desired pressure level and let the inflator do the work. It will automatically shut off once it reaches that level, so you don't have to worry about overinflating. The accuracy of the indicated pressure is reliable, with just a plus or minus 1 psi margin. Featuring a dual power supply, this inflator can operate on both a rechargeable 20-volt Li-ion battery and a 12-volt DC power supply, making it exceptionally versatile for emergencies on the road. It's capable of quickly inflating tires, taking only 3 minutes for a 195/60 R14 tire and 5 minutes for a 215/60 R16 tire to reach 38 psi. This portable inflator is compatible with various items, including cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and sports equipment. Designed with ergonomics in mind, it offers comfort whether you place it on the ground or hold it in your hand while inflating. Additionally, built-in LED lights illuminate your workspace, ensuring you can use it easily in dark conditions. Overall, this tire inflator is a reliable tool to have on hand for any situation. Number 7. The Upy Plus Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor is a powerful and efficient solution for your inflation needs. With a maximum pressure of 150 psi and an impressive airflow of 60 liters per minute, this compressor can inflate a 195/65 R15 tire from 30 psi to 35 psi in just 1 minute. This rapid inflation time drastically reduces emergency wait times, giving users the convenience they need on the road. Equipped with a durable 7,800 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, the T1 can last up to 900 days, making it reliable for over 800 uses. Its high-efficiency motor and smart chip ensure consistent performance, allowing you to keep this air pump handy for any road trip emergencies. The inflator features a precise plus or minus 0.5 psi sensor with a large LED display, providing real-time pressure readings and the ability to set preset values for automatic shutoff. The all-in-one design includes 4 preset modes for different inflatables, making it versatile enough for car tires, bicycles, sports balls, and even pool floats. Plus, with a built-in power bank and an LED light with a strobe mode, it is the perfect companion for nighttime emergencies. This tire inflator combines functionality and convenience, making it a must-have for any vehicle. Number 8. The AstroAI Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor is designed for durability and convenience. Utilizing AstroAI's unique Tough Ultra technology, this inflator is built with core components made through a revolutionary powder metallurgy molding process. This approach enhances its durability and extends its lifespan by 30%, making it a reliable choice for tire inflation needs. Setting the desired pressure is straightforward with the programmable inflation feature. Just press the M button to select your preferred pressure unit, then adjust with the plus and minus buttons. The inflator will automatically shut off once it reaches the preset pressure, removing any concerns about overinflation. Its compact and lightweight design allows for easy storage in glove compartments, trunks, or under car seats, making it accessible whenever you need it. The digital display shows accurate pressure readings, and the backlit screen provides visibility in low light, complemented by an independent LED flashlight for nighttime use. Overall, this tire inflator combines advanced functionality with ease of use, perfect for any car owner. Number 9. The Anykit Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor is a powerful and reliable device for all your inflation needs. Equipped with a robust 12,000 mAh lithium battery, this air pump offers an impressive battery life, ensuring you won't run out of power during your outdoor adventures. Its lightweight and compact design make it easy to carry along, making it perfect for travel. This inflator features powerful dual-cylinder inflation, delivering a maximum pressure of 150 psi and an airflow rate of 44 liters per minute, providing 50% more power compared to conventional models. With its convenient automatic shut-off function, you can preset your desired tire pressure, and the inflator will stop automatically once that pressure is reached. Versatility is key with this air pump, as it includes 4 pressure units and 5 preset inflation modes for different applications like cars, motorcycles, and sports equipment. It also offers 2 inflation options: a built-in battery for portability and a connection to your vehicle's 12-volt DC power outlet. Beyond inflating tires, it can even serve as a portable power source for your devices, thanks to its USB output. Plus, the built-in LED light is handy for nighttime use, making the Anykit tire inflator a multifaceted tool for any car owner. Number 10. The Fanttik X8 Apex EV Tire Inflator Portable Air Pump is one of the fastest rechargeable air pumps available, capable of inflating a 26.4-inch Tesla tire from 36 to 42 psi in just 74 seconds. With pinpoint precision of 1 psi, it ensures accuracy in every inflation. Its powerful battery offers up to 40 minutes of continuous operation, allowing you to inflate up to 16 tires without needing to pause for cooling. This inflator features a user-friendly one-click operation with 4 preset modes for various types of vehicles and sports equipment. It also includes a flexible 18.11-inch hose that works effectively at any angle, accommodating large tires with ease. Beyond inflation, it doubles as a power bank and flashlight, providing essential convenience during emergencies or nighttime use.